Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with another fine bonanza to tell you about today. Now this one is a 1977 A36. She is in gorgeous condition. Beautiful paint, beautiful interior. You'd never know she was a 1977 by looking at the outside. Best part about this plane, low time on the airframe and the engine. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at your engine. Teldon Continental IO 520 285 horsepower engine, about 585 hours on the engine since factory new. We also have a 3-blade prop, about 980 hours on the prop since prop overhaul. So folks, I cannot brag enough or emphasize enough the low time on this aircraft. Only 3,930 hours on the airframe since new. The paint looks brand new, the interior is great. Now we're gonna look at the flight deck in a few minutes and you'll see the avionics are a bit outdated. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to put in the avionics of your dream and modernize them. The exterior on this Bonanza is gorgeous. Matterhorn white overall with blue and gold metallic stripes and burgundy red swoosh. Now remember, only 3,930 hours total time on the airframe since new. So check out the large double cargo doors that we love about the A36. And the useful load for this particular airplane, 1,260 pounds. Now when it comes to seating your passengers, it's versatile. They can sit in the club seating configuration as shown here, or we can move the seats around so everybody can face forward, or we can even remove a seat. Let's say we want to carry something large, stow a seat, remove it. Don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, and we're in business. So come on in and check out the interior. Lots of tender, loving care has been displayed here. Beautiful tan leather seats, deep blue carpet, tan leather sidewalls. We do have shoulder harnesses for all the seats, and the pilot seat up front, sheepskin covers, and a 6-place intercom system. So let's check out the Avionics Package. It is equipped with a Collins transponder. COM 1 and 2 are Collins digital comms. Nav 1 and 2 are Collins as well. Navigate with ease with a Garmin GPS map 296 on board. The ADS-B is a Garmin ADS-B out, and you have an autopilot. It's a Century 3 autopilot with ILS coupling and altitude hold. Other features you will appreciate: inertial reel shoulder harnesses on all 6 seats, dual flight controls, co-pilot brakes, windows and windshield replaced when the interior was redone, all in excellent condition, alternate static air system, and dual glide slope indicators. So this beautiful 1977 A36 is looking for a new home. You can see how gorgeous her paint is. And the windows and the windshield, they were redone when the interior was redone, and that's in perfect condition too. Low time on the airframe, we talked about that, low time on the engine. The avionics do need to be updated, but this is a perfect opportunity for you to make them your own and modernize them. Great maintenance. The airplane has always been hangared. We'd love for you to come here to Piedmont Triad International Airport and take a test drive. Take a look at this beauty up close and personal. We thank you for watching. We look forward to meeting you. I'm May K. Bueller with Carolina Aircraft. Thanks so much for watching.